Okay, I have my new power supply programmed, calibrated, ready to go. Okay, this is my electrode cable here. With the old style, it's no problem popping this on and off, but with the new style, the profile is a lot lower. And I just put this on and force it on. Most likely I'm going to lift up the connections here and it's going to break your connection. And now your electrode board is not going to work. Okay. So what we're going to do, we already have these cords in here. We're just going to slide this power supply back in. I'm going to try to get these wires to the right of the connector. And just got to lift it over these tabs that it rides on, that we're going to screw it down on. And there, now I have it lined up. And there's my 4 screw holes that I'm going to attach this. What you want to do is put the screws in just a couple of turns before you get, until you get all 4 screws in. Sometimes they don't line up exactly and you have to wiggle that board around a little bit. You got a little bit of play. Getting this screw in down here past this cord is always the hardest one. I hold it in with my finger and then just drop it into the hole. And there, I got it in. And now I'm just going to move that cable over a little bit. And get my last screw in. And now at this point, I can tighten them all up. Now just check them, make sure they're tight. There we go, our power supply is in. Take this connector here, it goes into, this is marked 12 volt DC in. This connector is going to go right there. I'm also going to press this down just so that I have room when I put the motherboard on top. This isn't hitting the motherboard. Here's my cable that runs from the fan. Okay, I'm going to go underneath the electrode cable here and put it into the next position. It's marked 12 volts DC out right here. Okay. And now I'm going to get a connector that goes from here that's going to go to the motherboard.